Today I made the crispiest hash browns in the Ninja Crispy, and it is super easy to make. Just pour your hash browns in the base. I am using the large container and then spray with a little bit of oil. You can use avocado or olive oil, and then sprinkle with salt, sprinkle with pepper, put the lid on and set the timer for air fry at 10 minutes. And then we will go ahead and watch this from the side. I love that you can see everything from the side through the glass. It is so cool so you don't overburn your food. And then take the lid off, and we're just going to give this a quick little toss. And then we are going to add a little bit of butter to this. So then go ahead and pop it on and air fry for another 3 minutes. It's super simple, and I'm telling you, these come out amazing. They are so good, and just watch them crisp up through the glass. Give them another toss and then serve. These came out amazing. I made these for my son and one of his best friends, and they absolutely love them. And I will definitely add more next time because these shrunk by half. And what's your favorite air fry recipe? I'd love to know in the comments below.